Well friends, I am excited to share this video with you because it's a little bit different, as I am not using any thrifted decor, secondhand pieces in this video. It's all Amazon finds that I have come to find as my favorites right now in my current season of my home. So I'm gonna share 11, a bonus, with you because I just love some of their home decor pieces. There's some really charming, cozy pieces that are decent quality that you can get new. You know, sometimes you go thrifting and secondhand shopping or rummaging and you really are looking for the ideal piece, but you can't find it. So sometimes you gotta pay the full price and find things new. And I love mixing in my home old with new, vintage with new, different styles. I have a collected look in my home, and so I think this list is for any Amazon shopper. So I'm going to share it with you. You can also read the full blog post over on daveykillian.com, but I'm just going to take you around to the places where I have put these pieces in my home and share my list with you. So these are no particular order, but number one is my peel and stick wallpaper. My built-ins, which are right over there, and my master closet, which really is just a shared small sliding door closet, has this peel and stick wallpaper in it. It is beautiful. It adds a charm. It just really warms up any space, adds a little more texture than just like a plain backdrop in a home. And the nice thing, like I said, it's peel and stick. So if you really don't like it, you can take it down. But I just love how it looks in my home right now in these small spaces that I have put it on. I could go as far as putting it on a wall, but I think right now I like where it's at in my two spaces. Next is my neutral checkered print throw pillows. So I found these on Amazon because I was searching and searching used. I do buy used pillows and used pillow covers, and I just knew I wanted something that was timeless for my home, that would last all seasons, because I used to change out all my pillows for every season, and that just, for my stage of life with 3 little ones, that doesn't make any sense. So these ones have been on my couch since the fall. They are neutral checkered. They match our tan couch. I can substitute other different pillows to go along with it. I got them larger, like a 22 by 22, because I kind of like that oversized look, and I just think they would go in any style. They do kind of look farmhouse, boho, yeah, vintage. You know, it just would fit truly any style of home. All right, my third favorite Amazon find is my eucalyptus stems. Now, I have a couple different eucalyptus stems, but the ones I particularly like, they're a little bit smaller leaf, and I like that they come 5 stems. They suit any season. Again, I think eucalyptus could be used year-round. They fit in my crocks, they fit in my glass jars, they fit in a vase, and they look so real. I try to look for real faux flowers, because when you get faux flowers that look faux, it just looks kind of tacky in my opinion. So these have such high quality that anybody looking at them, they might think, wow, did you buy those and dry them or get them from a florist? No, they are faux, and they are beautiful and timeless for any home. My fourth favorite is actually right over there. You cannot see it, but it's my floor brass lamp. I got this when I really first started buying on Amazon. I had been looking secondhand for kind of a vintage style floor lamp, but I just couldn't find it. And I found this one. I love it. It sits very nicely in our home. It's just got that sleek look, and it would suit any corner, sit by any side chair, and I just really like the look of the lamp. It's lasted in our home for 5 years already. It changes light textures or shades of light, from like a warm light to an LED light to a brighter to a lighter. It's just a beautiful lamp to have, and you know, I don't think I could go without it, to be honest. And I'm so happy I paid the full price of a new item to go over by my love seat and built-ins over there. Number 5 is my white duvet cover. This was actually a Christmas gift a couple years ago, so I'm gonna try to find that particular one that I have on my bed. If not, I'll do a similar one, but it's got some beautiful texture, kind of a checkered, almost chevron pattern. I don't really like chevron. That was very 10 years ago, and now it's classic again. White also, just, I feel like white, then you can change out your blankets, you can change out your throw pillows. And when I redid my bedroom before our almost 1-year-old was born last year, because he shares our room, because we only have 2 bedrooms in our small home, that I thought having a pop of color on the wall or something else just really worked well with my white duvet. And it gets dirty sometimes, but that's the thing about duvets. You can take them off, you can wash them. And I just think it is so beautiful in my small room. And that's the thing about small rooms. Sometimes you need that lighter color so that it's not so small feeling. I know I use the word small, but not so cramped and crowded feeling. So the white duvet is one I really like on my bed. All right, number 6. This is another one I bought quite a while ago when we renovated our kitchen. It is a farmhouse style light that we have hanging over our eat-in kitchen table. And at first I wasn't sure I really liked it. We put Edison bulbs in there and I really do like it. Sure, there's cobwebs that collect on it every so often, but you dust those off. It's like a brass hammered metal kind of look, and so it's just really unique. Not something I would really have thought for myself. It's not vintage per se, but I really do like it, and it adds just a different character and element to my kitchen that I think, is a conversation starter, and it's just a fun piece to have over our table. All right, number 7, I've been wearing it a lot in my homemaking videos, is my crossbody apron. And this is one that they're so trendy right now. This is not handmade. It is just bought from Amazon, but it's tan. I think you can get different colors. It's got the 2 pockets, which I love. Super easy to take off because I still nurse, so I gotta take it off. I can't wear it all the time. But I tend to end up just wearing it on certain days. If I know I'm gonna be in the kitchen a lot, I'll just wear it around, playing with my kids. It's kind of a fun length too, because it kind of reminds me of a dress where it's not ankle length, like calf length. It's just really comfortable. So I really like those crossback aprons right now, and they're trendy, but they're very whimsical. They're very homemaker-esque, and so just kind of a romanticized piece to have hanging on my peg by my coffee maker that I totally use as decor. So can't go wrong with that. Number 8, bathroom hand towels. These are kind of a boho style. We redid our bathroom last year as well, before our little guy was born. And a lot of items in my bathroom I actually got on Amazon. So I'll just link my bathroom reveal or renovation video for you in the description box, because then you can check out everything we got from there. But the towels, the hand towels, I really like them. It's a 2-pack. They have fringe on the bottom. They're tan and cream. And I just think they're different. They're not a plain white, like hotel style towel. They're not a dark towel, but I really enjoy the towel that I have hanging there. They're extra long too, so my little kids can actually reach them a little bit better, which is handy for that. So just a beautiful addition to be useful as well, and they're actually quite affordable. In my bathroom as well are my 2 floating shelves. These are kind of a rustic farmhouse look, but with my vintage bathroom with like the the beadboard wall, kind of a farmhouse shower curtain, a vintage vanity, it all kind of melts together super well. The shelves are not overstated. I kept them very simple. I just was not sure what to put over the toilet, and these items, I really wanted something vintage, something old. I looked and looked at antique stores, thrift stores for the whole time before renovation came. I just could not find something. And then I just went, all right, let me look on Amazon, and I found these, and they're lovely. They'd be really cute staggered. I have them just on top of each other. If you wanted 3, you could just, stack them however you want to make them on your wall. But I really love how they look and how they just add a nice simple touch to my walls in the bathroom. Number 10, I use them in the winter more than the spring, summer, but they are the beeswax candles, the natural 100% beeswax candles that I find from Amazon, the tapered. I love burning candles in the evenings when it's cooler months and it gets dark by 5 o'clock. And so beeswax candles, though, I like to keep on hand because you never know when you're gonna have a thunderstorm and the power goes out, or when you want to set the mood, or even just at dinner time. Sometimes our kids will ask, can we light a candle? So I'll put those in my brass candle holders and light my candles. So I love this. I think they're the 8-inch ones. They're a little bit broader, and so they're just beautiful to have on hand and to display and use. All right, number 11, the bonus, is my essential oil diffuser. Many of you have actually asked about where I get this, and it's just from Amazon. It's beautiful, like ceramic around the outside part, and it has just a fun pattern. I love it. It sits on my counter openly. I don't feel like I need to hide it, and I just diffuse every day. So why would I hide it anyways if I'm gonna diffuse oils on my counter every single day? It's a really good price point at like $25, and I've had it for, this one I've had for 6 months, I think. The one prior to that I really didn't like. It was cheaper, just didn't diffuse very well. And then I had one similar to this before that for several years. So I really like just the aesthetic it brings to my kitchen or anywhere in my home. So friends, I hope you enjoyed my current Amazon favorites. Like I said, I don't typically do videos like this with buying new, but I do buy a lot from Amazon, whether it be beauty products, some of my organic cooking products and baking products, home decor, obviously, some clothes. So I thought, what better way than to share with you guys where I have found some of my items, and Amazon is that place. So definitely check out the blog so you can get the full write-up about the items, and head over there to enjoy reading. I love you guys, and I'll talk with you in the next one.